You are watching Rita's Vlog USA. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna go for a walk. It's afternoon here, and this is the nicest day since the start of fall season. It's 60 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's warmer. That's why I decided to go for a walk. Let's see what's going on in this, our new pond. Magmuni-muni lang ko din kadali. May balay sa mong silingan. Makita na kung winter time. Pero kung dili winter, dili makita kay ang mga dahon tabon man nila. So anyway, duyan-duyan ta din Nasa ano ako? Nasa swing. What am I gonna say? It's about what's going on in the Philippines. I mean, right now, I've heard a lot and I've seen a lot of I've seen it in the news, in videos, people mostly they are teenagers, but there is one incident that caught my attention. It's the girl that jumped in a bridge somewhere in Bukidnon, and I've seen that bridge. Taas kay na siya, habog kayo na ang bridge. And adlo kayo, it's scary if you're gonna look down below. Hadlokid siya, and then miyambak siya. Mental health is really something that is very serious right now. Lisod kayo. Depression is real, and it's not easy. Ang ako lang maistorya is that if you feel like you're depressed, if you feel like daghang kag problema, dako kag problema, just remember nga napay mas dako problema nimo. And then saba tawag ani lisod i-explain, pero ang importante nga di ka mawadaan og paglaom. Don't lose hope. Mag-walking sa ta. Don't lose hope. Okay, I don't know, it's very alarming. Very alarming yun ang mga panghitabo. um tagsa ka nato na may problema. We all have problems, big or small. We have problems, every one of us, even rich people. We all have problems, and the way we handle our problems, it makes a lot of difference. And ang importante yun is we pray every day. Ayaw pagpakawala sa paglaom o pagtuog yun sa Ginoo ang importante, because kung wala kay pagtuo sa Ginoo, bisan pag nagtuo ka sa Ginoo, kinahanglan ang hugot nga pagtuo sa Ginoo. Okay, isod na kayong panahon karon. Katong pag-abot na ako din when I got here, we have difficult times. Okay, wala ba akong trabaho. I can't get a job yet. Yeah, wala may balay. Kaya nagtukod pa may balay. We're still building our house, and my husband is the only one working. So there, and of course I have my family in the Philippines. And then it was tough because it's hard for me, especially nga naanad ko na ay trabaho. I'm used to having a job. I don't like being dependent on somebody. And then I get here, wala ko'y trabaho, pait kaayo. Nag-garden na lang ko. Ngotong I felt depressed. Ato ko sa garden. Kauna-una ko. Naman ko'y tarong nga trabaho sa Pilipinas. So, pag-abot na ko diri, mangguna na lang ko, mamunlay na lang ko. Kaitas kinabuhi. Silang kong hilak. And what I did is I prayed. Maski na ako sa garden, I prayed the rosary. I prayed hard. And I will sing worship songs, religious songs. Maski mag-iyak ako, it will I feel like the songs will comfort me. Wala siya akong ginahimo every day. Pait kayo kami ra naghimo sa among balay. We mostly build it ourselves. Nahimo kong panday, which lots of things which I am not used to do in the Philippines. I did it here. Kay diri, do it yourself yun. Kay mahal kaayo din. So it's not easy, but I was able to survive. I was able to surpass that time. And of course, homesickness food. Sumoto siya. What I'm trying to say is that when problems moabot sa imong kinabuhi, na kay mga problema sa imong kinabuhi, madako o magkamay, salig yun sa Ginoo. The more na good na mo salig sa Ginoo, kay kung wala siya, wala mong tayo mahimo. kanta og mga religious songs, worship songs to remind you that there is still hope. Mga pagsulay ra na sa kinabuhi. O kitang tanan na ay problema. Ang usually akong kanta nga akong kantahon is kuan kanang katong Mission of Man. Nalimot ako sa lyrics sa English nga version, but ang Bisaya nga version is wa kabaya gini sa likway ni manggani ang kalanggam. Kayak mo sa tani. Yeah. And please be kind to the people that you're gonna encounter every day, because you don't know what they're going through. There's so much evil in this world, especially with social media. A lot of bullying. So na siya, if you have problems, share it with somebody that you trust. Don't keep it to yourself. Para somebody can advise you what to do. And of course, like I said, pray harder. Grabe na kayong kalibutan karon. So the more tamo doon sa Ginoo. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Come on, reach out to your family, reach out to your children, to your friends, to your siblings. Talk to them and pray together. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.